So are you an owner of a gym and you're tired of replying to the queries that you receive from your members on WhatsApp manually? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I will teach you how you can create your own AI assistant for your gym to resolve the queries that you receive from your members on WhatsApp. I have created this amazing AI assistant, that too without need of any coding and programming skills, using Pabbly Connect. Yes, you do not need to learn coding or programming to create this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant. As now I have created this assistant, whenever I receive any of the queries from my members on WhatsApp, automatically this assistant is going to send a reply to them. So if you want to learn how this amazing AI assistant works and you want to create this amazing AI assistant for your business as well, I am going to take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, everyone. First of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing AI assistant for my gym members queries is going to work. Okay, so this is the bot that I've created. You can see right over here, and towards this bot I'm going to ask my first question. So my first question over here is going to be, hey, do you have yoga classes at the best area indoor studio? I'm going to send this question towards this bot, and as soon as I'm going to send the question, within few seconds this bot is going to automatically reply. It says, yes, we do offer yoga classes at best area indoor studio. If you need more details about the schedule or the instructor, let me know. Okay, so now I want to know about the plans. I will write over here, what are the monthly plans that you provide? I'm going to send this question towards this bot, and as soon as I'm going to do that over here, I'll wait for a few seconds. And within few seconds I've received 3 plans. One is the basic plan, other one is the standard plan, and the premium plan, and all the other details. Okay, let me ask one another question over here. The question is going to be, where are your studios located? Okay, I'm going to send this question again, and over here I'll wait. And you can see right over here, there are 5 studios located across India. Best area Indore, New Town Bhopal, Amazing Street Mumbai, Demo Colony Delhi, and Old City Indore. Okay, each studio offer premium facilities and a wide range of classes. You can see right over here, this bot is automatically replying to all my inquiries. So this is how this amazing AI assistant for my gym members inquiries is going to work. And now we are going to create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills, using Pabbly Chatflow. On a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After I browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Now over here you will find 2 options in front of you. One is the sign in, other one is sign up for free. Before I tell you about these 2 options, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here you can get help from not just our team members but also the fellow users. In this space you can ask your questions, share feedback, and find amazing automation tips for your business as well. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that you will find the link of our community in the description box below. Okay, now over here we have 2 options. If you're already an existing user, that means you have a valid Pabbly Chatflow account, you can directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to get started and use Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account from here, and then you will find the all Pabbly apps section in front of you, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing platform with the help of which you can send and manage WhatsApp conversations in your business. Over here, to add your WhatsApp number in Pabbly Chatflow, you have to click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, where you will find 2 options to add your numbers: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To learn the tutorials of how you can add your WhatsApp number and set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you will find the links of the videos in the description box below. Over here you can add multiple WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, and for the numbers that you're going to add, you can create multiple folders as well. For that, simply add the folder from this button right over here. Now Pabbly Chatflow also provides multiple features, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings. Okay, and in settings we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can find all the features videos in the description box below. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new AI assistant in our Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, simply from the left side of the panel, I'll go towards this AI assistant section right over here, and as soon as we're going to do that, the AI assistant section is going to appear in front of you of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to build a new AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, what you need to do is you have to click on this add AI assistant option right here, and firstly we have to name our AI assistant. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as gym members queries. Okay, and add the AI assistant from here. As soon as we're going to do that, automatically an AI assistant is going to be created. As now this AI assistant is created successfully, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set up all these sections given over here one by one. Firstly, it is asking for the AI instructions. Select the instruction type. I want to create an AI agent, so I'm going to select the AI assistant over here, the AI agent as the instruction type. Okay, now after selecting the type, we have to give the instruction towards this agent that we are creating. Over here, this is the pre-written instruction. If you want to add in more points according to your requirement, you can definitely add more points right here. Okay, I'm going to keep these points same. Now over here, it is asking for the AI configuration. Firstly, it is asking for the temperature. Now what is this temperature? Temperature is how creative do you want the response this AI to give towards our customers. The range lies between 0 and 1. 0 is more towards natural responses, 1 is more towards the creative responses. I want the response in the middle, so I'm going to select the option as 0.5. You can select the temperature over here and set it up according to your requirement between 0 and 1. Okay, now it is asking select AI to use. Over here, I'm going to use the AI that is OpenAI because this is the only option available right now. Next over here, it is asking for the AI model. I'm going to select the model GPT-4 Omni. If you want to use any other models, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Okay, now it is asking for the API key. From where are we going to find this API key? To have the API key, we are going to find it in our OpenAI account. For that, simply go towards this hyperlink given here below in the help desk. And as we're going to click on the hyperlink, we land towards the API key section of our OpenAI account. Okay, now we have to create our own token. For that, click on this create new secret key button, and firstly you have to name our key. For the name of the key over here, I'm going to give it as new message as the name right now. For the project over here, I'm going to select the project that is default. Permissions, you need to give all the permissions. Select it as all and create the key from here. The token is generated. Copy this token, and this is the API key that we want. Okay, and then simply click on this connect button right over here, and it says OpenAI key saved successfully. So you need to enter the API key in this manner right here. Okay, now after that over here, it is asking for the AI assistant settings. There are multiple options: header message, footer message, stop keywords. Now over here, what is the stop keyword? Stop keywords, if I'm going to toggle this button on, we have to enter some keywords right over here that is going to be sent by our customer towards this bot, and as those specific words are going to be forwarded, automatically this AI assistant is going to stop working for our customer. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going to enter a keyword over here as stop. Enter and press the enter key to save the keyword. Okay, in this manner you can enter most of the keywords according to your requirement. Let's suppose I'm going to write over here as thank you as well. You can enter more keywords like this. Okay, in this manner this AI assistant is going to stop. Okay, so after stop keywords over here, it is retry attempt. Next is fallback message. So let's suppose your API key that you've entered right over here is not working properly, then the customer will receive this message right over here. That means this AI assistant is not currently working. Okay, so after setting up all these things, our first setup, that is AI instructions, is completed. Next is knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Now using a knowledge base of our business, this AI assistant is going to reply to all the customers inquiries, our gym members inquiries. Now over here I have created this knowledge base for my gym right here. In this base I have entered all the details about my business, plans, and each and everything. Policies, you can see right over here what are the things that we provide. Benefits, the area you can see addresses is given with the name of our trainers are also right over here with all the other details. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this knowledge base that I've created over here in this AI assistant, and using that this AI assistant is going to reply to all the inquiries by our members. Okay, so now to upload the file, click on this button right over here. This is the knowledge base. I'm going to upload it. You can upload PDF formats also now. You can also upload TXT format as well. Okay, you can see TXT is preferred. If you want, you can upload PDFs as well. But remember that the page limit over here is 10 pages only. So in a PDF there should be only 10 pages. Okay, so you can see right over here, this is the PDF that is uploaded. As we've received this vendor ID, that means now this PDF is successfully uploaded. Okay, after uploading the knowledge source, next is assistant interface. Now over here you can see this box. Now you can attach this box right over here on your website, and you can make changes over here. Okay, so it is asking for my business name. My business name is what? It is Power Flex Fitness Club. So I'm going to copy this brand name and enter it right here. You can see it is changed. Okay, if you want to change this We Are Online line, you can enter this line right over here, change it. Okay, initial message, this is the initial message. You can enter another initial message over here as well. Next is display power by Pabbly. If you want to remove this, you can also disable it from here. I want it, so I'm going to enable it. Okay, footer text, this is the footer text. If you want to make this footer text a hyperlink, you can add the link over here according to your requirement. I don't want to change it, so I'm going to skip the part. User's first message, what is the initial message that we usually receive from our user? You have to enter it right here. It says I need help. Okay, so in this manner our assistant interface setup is done, and last is styling. If you want to change the color, background, or the colors of these buttons, you can select all the things according to your requirement. Okay, so you can see right over here, this is how this amazing AI assistant is created using Pabbly Chatflow. This was this simple. Now to activate this AI assistant that we have created, we have to toggle this button on from here and save the AI assistant from here. And as soon as we're going to do that, it says AI assistant saved successfully. Now we have created this AI assistant. Okay, now if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, simply go towards this embedded option and you will find the script. Copy the script from here and enter it into your website code, and automatically this bot is going to be added in your website as well. Okay, you can add this bot over here. Okay, so now as we have created and activated this AI assistant successfully, this is how simple it was to create an AI assistant for your gym studio as well. Now what we are going to do is we are going to test this bot that we have created. For that, towards this bot over here, I'm going to send a message. So let's suppose for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so you can see this is the message, hey, our membership fee is refundable if I cancel. I'm going to send this message to this assistant, and as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds I will receive a reply. And you can see right away, within few seconds I've received the reply, membership fees are non-refundable once purchased. If you have any other questions or need assistance, let me know. Okay, I will ask one other question, last question for all of you. So over here the question is going to be, the question is, do you have yoga classes at best area indoor studio? I'm going to send this message towards this spot right over here, and as soon as I'm going to do that, you can see within few seconds I've received, yes, we offer yoga classes at best area indoor studio. If you need any other details about the schedule or anything else, feel free to ask, and have a wonderful day. Okay, so you can see right over here, this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my messages. Okay, so now as a business owner, if you want to check out all the messages as well, what you need to do is you need to simply log into your Pabbly Chatflow account and go towards this inbox section right over here, and in inbox you will find all the conversation between your AI assistant and your customer. Okay, so if I'm going to open it right here, and you can see on my inbox section, these are all the messages right here. You can see all the messages. Okay, so this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work. Now if you want, this AI assistant should be assigned to all your contacts at once instead of going and choosing the AI assistant for each and every contact. What you need to do is, from the left side of the panel, go towards the settings and inbox settings section right over here. In inbox settings, if I'm going to scroll down right over here, lastly you will see AI auto reply settings. Configure AI auto reply settings to different contacts list. If you want to set it up for all the contacts, you can add it over here. So simply enable this button on from here and add more rules option. Contact list, you can select all contacts. I have that, so I'm going to select it. If you have different list according to your requirements, you can select the specific list over here as well, and you need to select the AI assistant as well and save it, and automatically this AI assistant is going to set up and send auto reply to all our contacts. Okay, So this is how you create this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow for your business as well. If you find any of the questions, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below and we will reply to all your questions as soon as possible. If you have need of any other AI assistant video, we can create the video and upload it on our channel as well. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.